Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Lullaby. Today we're back with another video which is a recipe of chicken popcorn. So do like, share, comment and subscribe before you start watching. So firstly, put in salt to taste, a teaspoon of turmeric, a tablespoon of chili powder, some ginger garlic paste for your taste. Then take in some vinegar. So not much vinegar because we have already added salt, just like a half tablespoon to one. Then take in some soya sauce. It's also the same half to one, the same quantity as the vinegar. So after that's done, we are going to take in some milk. So before you take in the milk, just add some chili sauce so it gives it a nice good spicy taste. So next I'm adding around 1 glass of milk, one small glass of like 25 to 50 ml of milk. So after that, cover it with a tight lid or a polythene cover. After 6 hours of marination, beat an egg and take it into the bowl. So this is for the coating. So after taking it, take out a big mixing bowl and put in some corn flour and as well as maida. I'm taking around 1 cup of each. So after that's done, taking some salt to taste and around 1 tablespoon of chili powder. So generally she can request a lot of chili powder and salt. So after that, I'm just taking some ginger garlic paste and now this mixture is ready. Now I'm taking all the chicken which has been marinated and dumped into the egg. So after that's done, I've coated them nicely. So what about the rest of the mixture, you ask? Now take some cold chilled water into this egg mixture. So this is for the second coating. So I'm putting it in and taking it out. So after that's done, I'm putting it back in the flour and coating it. So now after that's done, this is all my chicken. So now after that, we are going to take some hot oil. So I've taken some hot oil in the pan. And now after taking the oil, heating up, we're going to take each and everything one by one. So after that, we have fried, it looks like that. And now it's fully fried. So take it into a plate. Enjoy it with some nice ketchup or chili sauce. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to Lullaby.